Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 7th of April 2014 market review. These down the S&P 500 and Nasdaq American market indexes, and on Friday they closed 159 points negative on the Dow, on a level of 16,412 points. This was due to the negative job figures that came out on Friday afternoon. And let's go and quickly look at this end of day chart. Now it went to a high of 16,589, and now it came down. The data wasn't down at the set, but the data it came physically down here to this red line plus minus here. As you can see, the green line and the red line, this was resistance, this was support. It broke out of this resistance and support. Now it's coming down again. It's still trading above this green line. We need to keep a close eye on Monday what the futures can do. So far the futures are quite flat, but overall markets worldwide is negative at this moment, especially the top 40 shares at this time. Let's go and quickly look at the following quickly. Here's Billiton shares to look at. They're calling up a shoulder, a leg, head, shoulder pattern coming to this level. The expectation is that this share could actually come down on this from line A. So if you look at line A, line A will be about 336 rand. So for the clients in the trade, it could be opportunity to take your profits, because if it can come down, it could most probably come down to this B line here, and that's about 320, 319 rand at this moment. So this 336 rand 64 cents will be very important to follow. So the targets will go to is about 334, 333, 332, 331, and cents included, to almost a low of almost 319 rand. It's line B here. If it doesn't want to go and physically break the line A and it breaks further upwards, your exit will be about 343 rand 79 cents in regards to this chart. Pallinghurst is the next share to look at. And as you can see, the blue line is the share price. Line A is very important to follow at this moment. Line A will be about 340. As you can see, the share is consolidating between 360 and 340 the whole time, approximately the last, look at this chart, the last month and a half. Expectation, if it breaks this 340 level, next low is 337, 331, to almost the level of 3 rand. So let's see how it performs in the short term, so keep a close eye. Let's go run to the indexes like the J200 or the top 40 shares on the JSE. As you can see, downward channel, upward channel, trading on new highs last week. With today's data, there could be a bit of not today's data, today's move due to the Americans. We could see a bit of a downward channeling happening here, or downward side happening here. So currently the low to look at is here about 43,000, 42,800 on this green line. There could be a bit of support here at 42,500, but let's see how the day plays out. Let's go and look at some retailers quickly. Retailers are good, the ShopRites, due to the rand and dollar as well, sitting at 1051, 1052 at this moment. And you can see there's the green and red channel is still going upwards. The blue line is the share price here. It's still trading above the green line and the red line, and currently testing this purple line. It's like this is the table, this is the this is the floor, this is the table, this is the roof. Quite topish at this moment. Look at your WR. It's also quite topish at this moment. We need to see what the retailers could do in early trade morning this as it opens on Monday morning. Let's go and look at Mr. Price quickly here as well. Mr. Price was trading quite high, went to a level of 160 at this moment. Currently testing this 153 as a low. At any time if it breaks this 153, 150 levels, you could see a bit of downside back to the 143 levels. In this kind of cycle, and this kind of cycle could be topish. Looking at some indicators, share did come a bit down from high levels. Stochastics is showing a bit of downward channel happening here, as well as the RSI. Go and look at Truex quickly. As you can see, Truex is sitting on a 50-50 option, positive channel going upwards. Please keep a close eye on this red line here. This red line is the 89-day moving average. That's a price for about 75 bucks. Share is currently trading at 77.80. At any time if the share breaks the 75 bucks, it could go back, retrieve back to the 70 rand level, but still in a positive channel. So keep a close eye on the 75 rand level. Next high is about 82 bucks, but anytime if it breaks the 75, 75.10, downward cycle would be changing, and the cycle could go further physically downwards. Looking at weekly chart, um, this is the upward channel taking place from this downward channel. So let's keep a close eye on this specific trade as well. Let's go to some of the banks quickly. Yes, Capitec. Trading range was 185, 195, 185, 195 between the green and red line. Broke it up 195, almost went to almost 207, 206. Currently trading at 204. We could expect a bit of downward side back to the 200 rand level here. Looking at the Williams percentage starting to turn down as well from these high levels. Stochastics a bit toppish at this moment. Let's see if this could start coming down very soon as well. And there's a bit of downward side there as well on the RSI. MTN, looking at MTN, starting to become toppish there, bit of a breakdown. Very important, currently trading at 214 rand 10 cents. This 211 rand will be very important to follow. At any time if it breaks this green line, that's the 21-day moving average, could go and fall back to 204 rand. But look at the cycles here. Low, high, low, high. So it's in a big band at this moment. This could be another cycle confirming a bit of a downward trend. Depends what the markets are going to do in the next few days. But so far the markets are negative. So expectation of a downward cycle is possible in the market. The same with Vodacom. Vodacom is also in a positive channel going up here. Bit toppish, looking at some indicators. There's a bit of downward pressuring happening here. Stochastics as well on the toppish side, RSI as well on the toppish side. Please keep in mind on this 150 levels, currently trading 133.69. Any time it breaks this 150 levels, this upward channel could actually start becoming a downward channel. African Rainbow Minerals, looking at this share at this moment, this is the upward channel that we are seeing. This 210 is a bit of a support level. We need to see if it's going to bounce on the support going a bit higher. Now, I'm just going to pull up a small Fibonacci for short-term trading on this one, and I'm going to take it both sides. You can go and take this both sides here. There it goes. Now, as you can see, what I mean with both sides is there's a possibility that breaks this 215.66 level go higher to 226. Otherwise, if it breaks this 211 level, 210 level on this pages here, we could see a bit of downward side here, but still the shares in a positive cycle. It's currently struggling to break the next highs was 220. So let's see where this one, the formation can take us. I'm a bit positive, but the 210 is going to be a low level on this share, and it's currently trading at 211. Let's see if we can see a bit of a bounce there. Capitec like that. Mr. Price and the retailers, we did this on the high 160 at this moment. Let's see what the market does during the course of today. Manufacturing data is coming out as well. You heard about Nigeria's economy is bigger than South Africa at this moment, but the population is much bigger. So there's going to be a lot of concern about that data coming to the markets. Enjoy your day. Chat later.